This is 100% true news. Discord has just given my friend Erica a free 1-week Nitro. And you can also see, she didn't need to add any payment method. This has never happened before. With this 1-week Nitro, you can't boost the server though. But I guess you get other Nitro perks like sending animated emojis and aesthetic profiles where you can change the color and all. I am guessing that they're doing this Nitro giveaway because they want you to purchase these decorations from their shops since you can get it at cheaper rate with Nitro. Now I know you will say, "Oh Pixie, I didn't get free Nitro in my comments." Well, I didn't get it too. Only a few of my friends got it. I think Discord is giving to only a few selected members who don't have Nitro right now or haven't had it for the past 12 months. But maybe just wait for a few days. You might end up getting one free Nitro. Also shout out to my friend Erica for letting me know about this and putting together this video.